I want to say that today is first and foremost, for us, a day of gratitude.
Turning a project like this into reality of what it is right now isn't easy. It's a lot of cooperation and coordination, and for that, I want to thank the City of Morgan Hill.
If you just look around and you take a look at this product, this is of the highest quality.
But we are really thrilled to welcome Vida Morgan Hill to our community, where home becomes a destination.
When I first came here, this was an empty lot. Together with the great group of hardworking professionals at MBK, we designed and developed this place. I also want to, of course, thank my parent company. Mitsui Corporation is a wonderful Japanese company that operates in over 63 countries around this globe.
And we want to welcome you all here. Thank you so much.